My name is Mike Moore. I'm the owner of Divine Roofing. We're GAF Master Elite Contractor in Colorado Springs. Colorado Springs is pretty well known for its frequent hailstorms. Percentage-wise, I would say that 75 to 80% of the work we do is directly related to hail damage. One of the issues that we face after a hailstorm with the amount of homes that get damaged is the local suppliers can have a hard time keeping up with the delivery of materials. The RB4000 plays a huge part for us because it allows us to go to the supply house, load the materials directly into the RB4000. We transport that up to the job sites, and then we're able to elevate it up to the roof line where the roofing crew can easily unload those materials. Another benefit of the RB4000 is we have more control over our projects. We can schedule more precisely when a job is going to be completed. Homeowners are very anxious at that point in time to get their roof repaired, and they're looking for a specific date when that's going to happen. The RB4000 allows us to pick up our supplies, plan a project, give the homeowner an exact date we're going to be there, and then stick to that date. It's really an invaluable tool for us to get a jump on our competition, as well as making sure that no further damage occurs to those properties. I think one of the greatest satisfactions we get is knowing that the homeowner has trusted us, we explain to them how the project's going to go, and at the end of the job, when it went exactly how we explained and they're happy with the job, that's the greatest satisfaction we can get. We've had the RB4000 for about 4 years now. When I look back at the increased productivity that we've had since the purchase of that unit, I wish I'd have made the decision a long time ago. It's been an invaluable tool. It helps us on a daily basis, whether it's picking up materials, hauling trash, or just helping to keep a job site clean. It's a valuable tool, and I couldn't do without it.